Let's start by creating a new file. If your carousel is 5 slides, you can write 1080 times 5. If it is 7 slides, you write 1080 times 7. For the height, write 1350 pixels. When you finish, press Create. Now let's create the guides. Go to View, New Guide Layout. Since it's 5 slides, write in the column 5 and follow these settings. If it is 10 slides, you write in the column 10. These are the rows guides. When you finish, press OK. Now again go to View, New Guide Layout. Turn off the rows and margin. Since it is 5 slides, write in the column 5. If it is 8 slides, for example, you write 8. Now go to View, choose Lock Guides. As you can see, each slide is 1080 by 1350 pixels. If you need less slides, you can still use the Marquee tool. Make a selection on the slides that you don't need. Right-click, choose Select Inverse. We have selected the slides that we only need. Go to Image and choose Crop. Click anywhere to deselect. That's one way to crop the extra slide that you don't need and keep the rest.